Hey guys, I've had a hard time pumping air to my gravel bike tires after going tubeless. So these have Presta valves, and the valve core is kind of clunky and stuck, and it's hard to get any air in the tires. I think that's because the fluid which you put in to go tubeless has come up the valve and somehow is sticking in the valve core. So I went ahead and removed the valve core, and you can see there's kind of a lot of that magic milk which has gotten into the valve core when I went tubeless. So this is what a new valve core looks like, and well, these cost under $10 for 10 valve cores. So if you're having the same issue, just change the valve core and it will be good. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and for some more bike repair videos, go check out this one next.